Junk Closet. So today is a little different kind of video. But what we are going to be doing is putting together our new green screen that my son brought me a few months ago. I know, I'm just getting to it. So we're going to be putting that together, so stay tuned. Woo! So guys, you may hear me talking to myself. I'm just going to move this over and down because I'm going to be moving back and forth. I'm going to try to put it together here so you guys can see. So first, we have to put this hair up because it's hot and we don't want it to get in the way. So let's throw this up in a ponytail first, baby. Okay, and then we're going to get to it. So it's called the Hemmotop green screen. Okay, so this is the screen. I took it out of the box because it came in these two huge boxes. This is one, and this is the other one. So, I'm thinking this is enough room for us to do it. I'm not a pro at this. I'm figuring it out as we go. Of course, I will make some mistakes, but you know what? Oh, well. So, here we go. Okay, so I know that these two was two of the poles that we have here, so I'm going to put that there. In the bag is the green screen itself. Okay, so I'm going to just put this over here out the way. And then in the box is the stand. So it came in this nice black bag here. And it came with, this is the bag. It's really nice, not too bad. This stand, so we'll set that up in a moment. Let me put that here. Let me put the bag over here because I don't want to throw it away. It also, you guys can see me, came with 5 clips. Came with 5 of these clips. Let me show you up close. They have an orange tip on the end. Okay, so I'm going to just put those on the side. I'm going to move this box out the way. So again, guys, trial and error. So if I make a mistake, oh wow, baby. Oh, here we go. But listen, I'm doing it for you guys. My booskies out there putting the comments, let me know that you here, support me, you got my back. Because I don't know what I'm doing, but I do know that this opens up, right? Hold on. Okay, so it has 3 legs, almost like a tripod, if you guys know what a tripod is. Almost like a tripod, so I'm going to sit that here. And now I do know that we have to pull it up. Okay, so we have 3. Okay, so that's 1, 2 extensions. So what I'm going to do is tighten the bottom. Whoop, I hit the ceiling. It has screws here. Let me see if I can bring it up close to show you. Screws here to tighten. I'm going to tighten those. Tighten the first one. And then I'm going to tighten the one on the actual bottom of the stand. Let me see if I can put it up for you. So it doesn't fall down. So I'm going to tighten this one. Okay. So we want to tighten it so it stays there, right? Let me see. If you can see it, I'm trying to see how that fell down. We don't want that to happen. We want it to stay up. So we're going to put it here. I'm making sure it's standing on the floor, sturdy, and then I'm going to tighten this one. So that's good. Now it's not going to fall down. So I'm going to just pull it up so you can see. That is the stand, and you stand it like that. Ooh, I keep hitting the ceiling. Sorry. This thing is taller than me, and I'm 5'7", and it's taller than me. So we see it's pretty tall, right? Okay. So I'm going to put it here, so I'm hoping you guys can see it. Let me pull it down a little bit for you while I adjust the camera over here. Okay. So these 2 poles, I know it goes like this, but what I'm thinking is if I put it on, how's the green screen going to go on? So I think we need to put the green screen on first. Also, you have to remember the green screen is folded up. So guess what? We probably need to iron it. I'm not ironing it right now. I'll iron it another time. But, let me see. We got 5 clips. We got the green screen is folded. It's nice and thick. It's really thick. It has the stand. I showed you the bag it came in, the poles, and the lighting. So for the shadows, you may need to have something, maybe a darker background, so this won't show through. But we're going to play it by ear, so let's see. Let me put this over here. Okay, so we're going to open it up so you can see what it looks like. Oh, look, it has a blue side and a green. You know what? Yes, green screens have a blue side and a green side, so that is cool. We're going to use the green side, okay? I have to adjust it because as I go back and forth, I'll be going up and down so you can see. So we're going to use the green side, so I'm going to open it so you can see what it looks like. This is the blue side, and it's pretty long. It's really, really long. But what I'm thinking is that once it goes on a pole, it can go out like that. So if you're taking a photograph, you know how when you're standing like this, you're actually standing on the bottom part of it, like a train a little bit? So I hope you understand me. Follow me in the comment section. So let's see. We're going to open it. Okay. Got it. So this actually has a hole in it. What I'm going to do is see if I do it like this. Because I think that's the only side that has a hole. It is. I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Yes. So what I'm thinking is it goes like this. And what we're going to do is thread the poles through. So how did I do this? Hold on. Let me just make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. But what I'm worried about is at the top of the pole there's an opening. But I don't see an opening in the green screen. Hold on. Like I said, trial and error, so bear with me. So I don't see a hole in here. So how is that supposed to fit? I don't know. But let's try it. So I'm thinking halfway in the middle. Oh, I know what it is. I got it. Put it on and then put it on and then pull it open. Let's try that. Right? Can't hurt. Can't hurt. Okay, because there's a hole here. Okay, hold on. I don't want to hit the wall. And I know it goes like this. But how does it go across? See, there's no hole in the top. So do I have to make a hole? Okay, this is the part I don't know about, but let's see. So even if I do it like, oh, you know what? No, because it still doesn't have a hole in it for the cover. I'm wondering if I actually have to cut a hole in it. Because if I do it like this, right? If I do it like this, there should have been a hole in there for that. But let's see if it'll just slide down without it. Hold on, give me a second. I have to make the hole line up with the... Give me a second, guys. I want you to see this in real time. So I'm going to... No, I can't put it in the back because then the pole is going to show. So it got to go like this. But if I do this, it's going to put a hole in the screen. I'm wondering if I am to do it like this. Oh, no, because it's not fitting, see? So that is my confusion. There's no hole in the cover. I am willing to, however, put a hole in it because I don't know what I'm doing, and if I'm messing it up, I'm messing it up. But there is a hole right here in the pole. Let me make sure it's long enough. So I'm just going to put a hole in it. Look. I have to work with what I got, right? Okay, so let's see. So if I put the hole, which I did make one, where is it? putting a slight little hole in it, which I did already. Now I can't find it. I'm sorry, I might have to pause it and come back. Okay, so I'm back. What I did was I put a hole in the blue side since I'm not using it. And then I put a clip. I'm going to hold it up so you can see. I put a clip at the top. And what I'm going to do is put a clip on the rest of it. So I'll put a clip here at this end. And then I'll put a clip here at this end. So that will actually hold the screen. And then I'll show you how it looks down on the bottom. And it's actually not as long as I thought. I thought it would have went out there, but it didn't. But that's okay. So this is the green screen. So what I'm thinking is, it is on there, but why did they give me 5? Maybe to put on the side, but I don't have a bar on the side. So, and I really don't need it at the top. So maybe they just gave us 2 extra. But that is the Hemmotop. I think that's what it's called. Hemmotop, Hemmotop. Green screen. Okay, and again, when you go to do your video and you have your picture, you will need to iron that because you see the wrinkles in it. Okay, and again, it came with 5 clips. It came in bags. It came with the stand, like almost like a tripod, the 2 poles that go across. And again, for your lighting and stuff, you have to make sure. But actually, I cannot see through this one. Even on this side, I really cannot see through it. So this is pretty thick. I know some of them are really thin, but this is really thick. So actually, this would be good. So what I'm going to do is just pull you guys down a bit and just sit behind it to see what it looks like. I'm going to sit in my chair. Hope I don't fall out of it. So if I'm doing my video and I'm like this, alright, I'm going to do it like this. And I have the green screen behind me like this, and I have my picture on it, that's good. So I think I'm actually going to be okay with that. I'm kind of liking it, you know. Hey, trial and error, like I said. I am not against trying stuff. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. But I'm actually thinking it's really good. It's very secure. It's not moving. I think it's perfect. I think it's good. And I think it's going to be good. So tell me, guys, if you like this video. Again, trial and error. Don't judge me too hard. I never put one together. I think I did a pretty good job. It is in, I'm sorry, either Chinese or Japanese. I can't read the letters. Maybe you guys can tell me. I think that's Chinese letters. But I cannot read that. So, unfortunately, I had to play it by ear. I did look it up to see how it looked. And they just showed pictures. But, again, they did not have directions. So, again, keep the plastic bags away from children. It can be dangerous for suffocation. So, if you have small children or animals, make sure you're putting these bags up and away. I do have 2 cats, so I'm actually going to put this away and save it and put like maybe some jewelry or makeup or something in it. Actually, I'm going to stick it in this drawer so I don't misplace it. I'm going to put the other 2 clips in this drawer also. And again, it came in that black bag. I think it's pretty good. Again, I'm going to iron out the kinks. And there we have it, the Hemmotop green screen. Go get you one. My son ordered it for me a couple of months ago. I thank you guys for being here with your YT cheerleader. Please leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you liked it, if you enjoyed this video. And more videos to come off of my vacation. So please look forward to that. Again, guys, if you're not connected to my second channel, please connect to it. It's called VMAX Show. And also on this channel, I offer memberships. If you found value in this video, there is a thing called Super Thanks. Click that button. Hit your girl up, baby. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Love and light. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye.